off. So now this lap is going to be without the pod. And so if you want to see my review of a potted Steeze, I'll leave a link to that one to watch that one. But yeah, it's not, I really wanted that to work so bad. To me, I can tell right away carrying it, and now it's balanced. It's balanced nicely, rides on my shoulder very nicely. With the pod on there, it was lifting it up. So because I've got a little bit of a dry bag back there that has maybe another pound or two. So you're running anything in the stern. I was looking at probably 4 pounds of weight back there. And now I've got the pod off. It feels so much better on my shoulder just carrying it. It's lighter, feels better. I'm really interested in on how this paddles as a half slice now. All right. Oh, yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah.
I think with less rocker, it's probably easier to initiate too.
Maybe. It feels like a high volume boat though.
Yeah. Oh, definitely. It doesn't want to spin like a rewind or rip.
Yeah. Like an Antics 2.0 rewind. It's not, like if you're thinking you're buying you a really spicy half slice,
You're not.
I don't think you are. I think you're buying that good in between creek boat that can stern turn you. And you're what? You're 210?
Yep.
Yeah. Well, you got like almost 40 pounds on me. Yeah. Or about 30 something pounds. So that's a lot. Yeah, it's got right there. I feel it. Okay, right away paddling it without the pod. It is noticeably a different boat. I can like lean back and engage over stuff. So it has that ability to load its tail coming off of things. Nice. It is not an easy boat to get down. I've got the seat back. I could probably go back a little more on the seat. Let me try it in a hard eddy line. You almost need a deep, hard eddy line. That is extremely difficult to get vertical. And I'm right at 175. It's a stern squirtable creek boat. That's what it is. It's like it's closer to a creeker than a half slice to me. Yeah, this feels like a downriver, river runner, creeker meets half slice. The other ones are more half slicey.
Yep.
Like the rewind is the perfect 50-50 mix. Antics is more playful, more than less river runner. This feels more river runner, less playful. It's like on the upper square where I feel like, oh, I'd paddle fucking anything in this. Like, give me some burly shit. Because you're right, you have that tail to get you out of trouble if you need to, but then you got that bow to get you over things if you...
Exactly my point, and I think this is the way creek boats are going.
I think so too.
Yeah.
I think as skill sets catching up to that too, because all the paddlers are getting where they can paddle shit like this.
Oh, yeah.
They don't need boats to take care of them all the time.
Right.
You feel like you work the river with this fucking thing. You better be on it. And I love how I can kind of like, just like a half slice, I can have that engagement. That was it. Wow, I like that. Woo! Yeah! Dude, that was so much better. So being able to drop that tail down definitely helped. and I just kind of fell off. This time I was able to load it a little bit, just come up and came off just like you, just smooth right in the pillow. It's just more aerated. Yeah. There's a good eddy line right here. Yeah! Wow, I felt the paddle blade. I stuck it right in between the rocks. Weird Waka, bro! Another thing that I noticed, so you ever go all the way back? The design of these ratchets do not let you come all the way out. They butt up right here. So that's kind of cool that you can never pull the ratchets all the way out. And they get fed into that little cutout right there. Somebody didn't put the shirt on all the way.
So this guy used this block, this
Yeah.
way to surf it over.
Yeah, then cross bow into the micro one this time.
All right.
And then cross bow. Oh yeah! Now loop, loop, loop. Waka loop, waka loop, waka loop, waka. Ah. Yeah, I love that. Yeah, these guys might want to walk this because they ain't Wakas. Well, we could run it, walk our boat back up and let them run it. Submarine salute.
Get a good look at the right side because you can't.
Normally that's the high water line, right?
Yeah.
Right. But we're in Waka, bros. We don't. There's no sneak routes. Wow, that was so much smoother. Yeah! Holy crap! An old Walmart. Now it makes me wonder, did someone try to paddle this in this boat? An old Sun Dolphin. It looks like the poor old Sun Dolphin. I might walk in and get that. Yeah, so this boat technically does everything better with the pod off. It's already such a high volume half slice that there's no real use for that pod. Get ready to duck. Ooh. I wouldn't recommend going upside down into that.
Dip duck. Stop. Dip
It's not the preferred line. And once you figure out those moves of loading and coming off, I feel like I could run big volume shit, no problem. And it's so much volume in it, I don't feel like it's gonna like, woo, slam my ass. Unless you get in a massive, massive drop. The double Steeze. Yeah, good pull. Oh, that was cool. Yeah, so final thoughts on this boat. It's definitely the most unique boat, the most unique half slice out there. Obviously, I wanted the pod to really work on this thing, but you know, we don't always get what we want, as always. Really suggest if you buy one of these, do not use the pod, which is sad because I really wanted to use it. But the Puppy Steeze seems like they might have worked that out, but it's not going to stern squirt as easy. This thing already is like a really hard boat to get down. I would have to spend more time in it to find out where I need to load. Yeah, but I really, really like this boat. It is the most unique half slice boat on the market today. It's more of a creeker than a half slice, but it's a creeker where you would change your style coming off drops. You would come off of that tail, you drive it with that tail underwater a lot. So I do that in the Rewind, in the Antics. I've done that in those boats too, but this boat has way more volume in the bow. So it feels like it just go over anything. Has a lot of confidence coming into big holes and drops. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Hey, big shout out to Alp Ingen. This is his Waka. He let me use it just to kind of like see what I think about it, because I don't get like boats. I don't have like a demo fleet to pull from or anything, so I have to reach out to buddies that own boats. And yeah, Alp hit me back and he's like, yeah, for sure, give it a whirl. So thanks a lot to Alp for letting me try his Waka Steeze and pod out, which he never paddled it with a pod, by the way. And then Johnny down here has never paddled his with a pod either. So yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.